Now onto the verses. This is kind of the stretchiest thing for your hand. But there's a few techniques we can do to help make this easier. So the first chord we have is what's known as a D5. It only has two notes in it technically. It has a D, and then the fifth note of that scale, which in this case is an A. Same thing with A, the fifth note being an E of that scale, but you don't have to really know about that. So what that is it looks like just the bottom pipe of a power chord. So for D, we got some options, but we'll start here first. 10th fret, 6th string, and then 12th fret, 5th string. And that's the only two notes you're playing. You're not strumming everything, just those two. Okay? And then for the A, we're sliding it down to the 5th fret. So this is on the 5th fret, 6th string, and this is on the 7th fret, 5th string. Okay? And that's really only two, well, chords. Well, then we end on a G, which is down two more. We'll get to that one in a second. So here's the tricky part. You're going to be taking your pinky and going up wherever that string that your third finger's on, 2 frets up from that, but leave it down. So you're stretching it there and coming to there. 2 frets up. And you're going to play it 2 times on, 2 times off, or 2 times off and on. So it's going to go not a straight, but kind of at this thing known as swing, where it's one's longer and shorter. It's like long, long, short, long. So we can alternate between the two. We get it's 2 times each. So no pinky, pinky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's for 4 measures, which is a lot of counts. So that's really singing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we go down to the A and we do the exact same thing. And then down the G just one time. And let it ring. Now the A, because we're playing it here, it's a little bit bigger stretch. So you're going from your pinky on the, well, your third finger's on the 7th fret, 5th string to now the 9th fret, 5th string. Now, that's a bigger stretch. If your hand is behind your chord like this, you can't reach it. It's going to feel really hard. If your wrist is way high, it's also going to be really hard. You want your wrist way down, and you want your hand right underneath where you're trying to play the chord. Okay, both times. Now, here's an alternate for this. You can, instead of playing D up here, you can play D underneath the A on the 5th string, 5th fret, and the 4th string, 7th fret. And you're still doing the pinky up here, 2 frets up from where the third finger's at, so it's now the 4th string. It's the same notes. It's the exact same notes on that one, so it doesn't matter. The ease of this one means going to the A is just right here. The hard part is you have to switch strings. The ease of this one is you stay on the same strings, but you have to move the fret. Now, something that is good about this is you just ended that intro we just played. And you end with your third finger already needs to be. So that one's kind of the easy one if you ask me. So, playing it that whole chunk one time, we'll do it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 4. Second measure, and G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready. Then you either go back to the intro or the chorus.